How to close OKX accounts. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can close your OKX account. So then to close your OKX account, all you have to do is just basically log in into your OKX account. Make sure that your account is verified. And then you need to go ahead and tap on the profile icon or the three dot icon located in the top left hand side. And from here, you need to go to your profile info. And that's directly going to take you to the user center page, and right on this page go to security, and under security you can see there are different options, so go to security center. So while you're on this page, you need to scroll down right to the bottom, and right at the bottom you'll be able to find two different options as freeze account and close account. If you want to temporarily deactivate your account, then you can freeze your account and it's going to be deactivated for temporary, and you can also log in into your account. Likewise, if you want to close your account, that is permanently deleting your account. Once you close your account, it won't be recovered. So basically you have to tap on it and enter in the information that has been asked, and you'll be able to close or delete your account. So in this way you can close your OKX account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.